It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. My name is Kirtan and I'm from Miami, Florida. I'm currently 19 years old and I'm still a student in college. SUMP is the one thing that holds us all together. If there was no SUMP on site, there would be nothing here. All of us here, we want to help each other. I think the experiences that I would take from Akshardham and how I would apply them to the community when I come back, I think the main thing that I would take away is the sense of togetherness. And that sense of oneness and togetherness, it's something that I think the community also should have, right? Because at the end of the day, we're all human beings, right? We may have differences of color, race, religion, whatever it is, but if we can get along with each other and help each other with our goals and help each other with our dreams, then we can all become happy. I think Akshardham will benefit the larger North American community because it will bring a physical showcase of spirituality. People will look at it as this is something that shouldn't be possible. This is something that only should be in India, but it's actually here. We should go see it. We should go experience it. And when you come here, they'll experience this divine atmosphere.